Since this Russia-Ukraine issue started or Russia-Ukraine war started, markets worldwide have been very, very volatile, right? So it moves 100, it moves 400, 500 points. I'm talking about Nifty, gap ups, gap downs, and we have seen Nifty gapping up 400, 450 points, right? So these were the kind of market we were experiencing for the last 6 or 7 months. And if you ask me why I'm saying this now is because today was a very, very excellent day. In fact, today is the best day for an option seller in the year 2020. And you know why? India VIX crashed very drastically, and if you are an option seller, I'm sure you must be in good profit. We are in good profit. Our members are in good profit. That is because the only reason is India VIX has dropped significantly. Yesterday we did a straddle, and today it is in excellent profit. In fact, it has given a profit of more than 2% or 2.5%. So that much is the amount of drop in VIX, and obviously when VIX drops, option sellers tend to make money, right? So many people used to say option sellers time is over, they are finished, kalas, you are not going to make money anymore, you are wasting your time, strangles are not going to work anymore. Who say? All these people are amateur traders. No, I've been in the market for 10 years and I can tell you where I made money is in strangles and straddles only, right? Maybe last 5 or 6 months it might be time for option buyers, or maybe next 3 or 4 months may be time for option buyers. But this cannot continue like this. It has to stop somewhere. If you check the facts, or if you check historically, option sellers tend to make money. In the long run, option buyers don't make money. Option sellers only make money. Warren Buffett, you know Warren Buffett, richest investor in the world. He runs a company called Berkshire Hathaway. You know how many, Berkshire Hathaway or Warren Buffett is the world's biggest option sellers. So every year they release a company balance sheet, and you can check on that how much options selling Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway is involved in, right? Anyway, that is a different story. Now the question is whether this is going to continue or not. That we really don't know. On November 2nd, there is a very, very important event, that is Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is going to come out and he is going to increase the interest rate. Now some people are saying that they have a target of 5%. If they increase the interest rate to 5%, it is not about recession. Maybe US economy will go to depression. So that is how people are talking, and I have read some article. Some people shared in our Telegram group also. But who cares? Indian retailers don't care. If I say market is going to come down, everybody will come and troll and abuse me, right? End of the day, what I'm doing is I am not into any loss. Whether I say I'm bear or whether I say I'm bull, end of the day I'm not going to make any losses, right? So anyway, we'll see that in another video. We'll talk about that in another video. Bank Nifty was performing today. Bank Nifty was not performing today, but opposite of yesterday. Yesterday Bank Nifty was performing and Nifty was not performing. Today Nifty performed and Bank Nifty did not perform. So both major indices in opposite direction. Anyway, doesn't matter because India VIX helped us, and India VIX has dropped significantly. I think if you see this chart, you can see that India VIX is the lowest in the year 2022, right? So excellent day. Not only me, every option seller would have made money. Yeah, maybe this is the lowest in the year 2022, right? So this is how markets are behaving, and FIIs are still buyers. They have bought around 1,568 crores and DIIs have sold around 613 crores. This is how markets are looking like. And I'll also tell one more very important thing, which is that tomorrow I'll release a video. Sensible is giving free Sensible Pro plan for options and subscribers. I'll tell you in tomorrow's video how to claim this free subscription for 1 month pro plans, sensible pro plan, so that if you are using Zerodha, 5 Paisa, IIFL, Upstock and Angel One, you can use this code free of cost, and they are not going to charge you anything. This is exclusive for options and subscribers. And otherwise, if you see the open interest is also scattered around. I think aggressive puts are being written at 17,700, 17,500, 17,400, 17,300, 18,200 is having the highest call option. And if you see Bank Nifty, same scenario. Bank Nifty also, I think aggressive calls are being written, so that you can identify from the price action itself. So since the market was, Bank Nifty was going on the downside, people are writing aggressive calls and aggressive puts, right? In Nifty there are writing aggressive puts, and in the Bank Nifty they are writing aggressive calls. So this is how the markets are looking like, and going forward also I think this will continue. Consolidation may continue, and we may see India VIX dropping, right? So this is about the market. I don't think I have much to talk about, and please don't forget to claim your sensible free subscription plan tomorrow. I will release a video on how to claim this subscription. It is almost free of cost for options and subscribers, right? Nothing much. We'll see in tomorrow's video. I hope I have summarized everything. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.